Hi, it's Elizabeth. I'm in North Carolina and it's raining. And I got some soil the other day for my bed and I wasn't too happy with it, so I went ahead and got some more to add to it because the soil that I got was really heavy. So it was organic and it was a good quality, and I went to a local business, but it wasn't seed starting mix. So I got some more to add on top, and I'll just let that be the base. So I picked up this right here, which is so light. I got it at Dollar General, $4 a bag. So light. I could deadlift this all day. But yeah, this soil that I got was really heavy. Got a lot of sticks in it. See? It's got cow manure in it. I wasn't really pleased. I'm sure it's a good soil, but it's going to be a good for a base, but not for a seed starter. So go ahead and put that in there. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's raining. I do have you under an umbrella. And I just got home from work. It's around 3 o'clock. It's really breezy. Sprinkling more than raining. It's been raining all morning. But it's not too bad now. I have some nice tomatoes I wanted to plant in here. Just trying to figure out how I'm going to keep them separated. This is a little loamier. This was only $3.50 a bag. This is 14 quarts. And this is Dollar General True Living. A funky smell to it though. My goal was to be able to just get the tomatoes started in here, and when they get like 2 sets of leaves, just pluck them out and maybe put them in the garden or in pots. Either way, get out. It's not for you. It's not a big kitty litter box. I know that's what they think it is. So I'm going to try that one bag of that right now. And then this right here. It's real dry. It's going to need to get rained on. I had put some all-purpose garden blend fertilizer in here. It was pelleted. Like for tomatoes and garden vegetables and flowers. And I put some perlite in here the other night. And we're having a good rain now, so let it get rained down good. I'm still going to put that on top so that the cats don't get in here. Then I'll plant. I'm not going to try to stick my hands in there and mix it up because I don't want all those sticks and clumps and stuff. But there's a channel that I watch sometimes, and he's up in Canada, like in Nova Scotia. The marine gardener. He uses a lot of seaweed and stuff in his garden. And he's one of the first people I ever saw do the whole hugelkultur bed. Can't even say the words. Because he harvests a lot of wood out in the forest and stuff for his garden. But he does in-ground planting. And I don't have the correct channel name, but I haven't watched in a long time. But that's where I realized that you can plant, You can plant directly in the ground. And you don't always have to start in beds or whatever, or seed pots or whatever, but I'm just not that good at keeping baby plants alive directly in the ground. So that's what I'm gonna do with that. Watch right now. Needs to get rained down good. But yeah, we gotta remember how wet that stuff was underneath there and how dark, and has a lot of cow manure in it. So I think this will be better. And when it stops raining, I'll soak it down real good. We're still having a lot of pollen here. Something rather miraculous happened for me, though. I have a lilac that I bought years ago from Proven Winners. And lilacs don't do well in the south. I'm in zone 8B. And when I grew up, we had lilacs up north. They were trees, just as big as that mulberry tree. And I had gotten one. It has never bloomed, never budded. I've been throwing wood chips on it, banana peels, stuff like that. Just garbage like banana peels, compost, coffee grounds for years. But then this happened. Yes, I cut myself off, but then this happened. Yes, it's tiny. It might not be much. But there's nothing like the smell of lilacs. So it's hard to believe that she bloomed at all because, you know, lilacs have to have freezing cold weather to go into total dormancy to provide any kind of blooms. It's a Syringa vulgaris, which is common lilac. And when I bought it, it was, you know, a 4-inch pot. This is my fig tree, one of them. And I've been moving it around and babying it for years. And I started throwing my grass clippings up around it, along with my fig tree. And other fig tree. That's all I have left is 2. You can see how big my poke bush is compared to my fig tree. So, yep. Really happy about the lilac. Yeah, so that's what I got. And it's raining and it's windy. I'm getting ready to go inside. Got some cucumbers in this thing. Be coming up. They are coming up. Yeah. Oh, these are peas. Those are peas. Cucumbers are in here, I think. Cucumbers or butternut squash or both. This is my compost bin. Yeah. Then I planted some gourds over here. They won't be up for a while, if ever. Seeds are pretty old. That's my Carya japonica right here. It's getting pretty big. I'm gonna need to cut it back. I love it. It grows in the shade as well as the sun. It's great for putting like behind a fence line, or if you have a pool or something you need colored behind, you know. an old shed needs something behind it, you know. And as you can see by the canes, it will spread, but it's a very slow mover. It can be in sun or shade, but I love it. I've had this, I took a piece of this plant, and the first time I ever laid eyes on this actual original plant that this came from was in 1980. That's how long this plant went with my daughter. It came with from my house to my daughter's house, and from my daughter's house to me here. And it was at my original house in 1980 when I moved there. It's very old. But anyways, y'all have a great day. It's very windy, so I'm going to get off of here and get inside the house. Rain in the I-95 corridor. It's really raining hard a minute ago. So weird how the sky does. Sun shining, rain pouring.